Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my FABFITFUN winter box. This big boy came the other day. This box is ginormous. It's like the biggest box I've ever gotten. It's probably because my choice item that I picked is rather huge. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing my winter FABFITFUN box, then just keep watching. Okay, here we are opening the box. So, I think I just whacked my microphone. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I've already looked at this box, and I am, like, there's two good things. You definitely get your money's worth, but I am pretty disappointed in here. So here is the little thingy that tells you the value of everything. So let me get this out so I can figure out what everything is. There's like a lot of stuff in here, so I really don't know where to start. You know what? I'm just gonna insert the prices on it because it's gonna take me forever to look through there. So the first thing we have is this Daily Concepts Dry Facial Brush. I'm gonna tell you right now, I ain't gonna use this. I don't use brushes on my face when I cleanse. It's just not my journey. Next we have these Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. I will use these. I don't know how many are in there. 4. Wow. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. But yeah, I like eye patches, so that's neat. I mean, it's not something I really purchase, so it's nice to get them in boxes because, like I said, I don't go out and buy them, so it's like a little treat. Speaking of treats, I don't know why this is in there, but it is. It's this kind dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. I don't really like dark chocolate. I'm gonna try a bite of this anyway. Let's do a little ASMR in the microphone. It's okay. I'm not really a big fan of it, to be honest. Next we have a liquid eyeliner from Aesthetica. I will open it to look at it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this because I have so much eyeliner. And it's one of the little felt tippy things, so I'm not going to keep this either. So right now, that's 2 things that I'm not keeping out of this box, so that's kind of not so great. Next we have this thing, which I'm super excited about because, oops, I picked this. I did. And it's this Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror. So I actually film in front of the Vanity my husband built, so I have a big old mirror right there, but it's not like up close to my face, so I have to get like a mirror from a palette or a handheld mirror in order for like eyeshadow looks and stuff. So this is nice because I can just put it closer to me so I can see better, so I wouldn't have to hold something, which is nice. So I have it right here set up. It has batteries or it has a little USB, and it came with a cord, so either way. But here's what it looks like. That's really nice. It gives some good lighting too. Yeah, wow, I really like that, and I'm pretty sure this was pretty expensive. So that's actually really, really nice, and it's flexible too, so this moves around. It doesn't like go that way, whatever that way is, I can't remember, but it does that, so that's nice. Y'all are gonna have to apology, what am I saying? Y'all are gonna have to forgive me because this lipstick is crap from Amazon that I got for Halloween stuff. And I just kind of wear it because it matched the purple. See, what else we have in here is this below the belt. This is a wallet, a little card wallet. I don't know if I'd use this. You know what? My wallet that I currently have is actually running out of room for cards. So I think, and it's a small one, like it's pretty much this size too. So I don't think it's gonna hurt me to have two, which would actually be nice because some cards aren't even in my wallet. They're in my nightstand because I can't fit them in my current wallet. So this will be nice to keep too. So I'll just keep both of them. That's what it looks like. I believe they had like a red or a black one. I would have preferred the black one, but this is still nice. And then we have a bunch of cards. And then we have this Voir, is that how you say it? Rhythm of the Rain hair mask. I'm gonna sneeze. Nope. Hair mask and scalp detox. So this says, work through damp hair from roots to tips, leave in 2 to 3 minutes and rinse for deep conditioning, set for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. So let's give this a whiff. Oh, it's sealed. That makes me happy. Good for you, Voir. Good job on sealing your stuff. Let me smell it. Ooh, that smells good. I'm excited about that. I love getting hair stuff because I get so much makeup stuff, so it's nice to just get hair. I picked this too. It's from Gellar. It's an eyeshadow palette, and guess what? I'm not going to use it. I'm going to put it in a giveaway because I purposefully picked it for that actual reason. I have so many eyeshadow palettes for giveaways. I'm thinking about doing like a palette palooza giveaway of sorts or something. That just sounded cute. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Don't get me wrong. Here it is. Gellar Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. Super duper pretty. I don't need it. So I would be happy to put that in my giveaway box. And then I just have one more item in here, and it's the Big Daddy. It's the reason why this box is as big as it is. And it's the thing I'm the most excited about. It was also my other choice item. You can never have too many throw blankets. Never. Holy crap, this is soft. Whoa. It's from UnHide. And it says, for love, not fur. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. That was hard to say. Let me see how big this is. This color is so pretty. It's like this grayish baby blue color. This. I mean, it's definitely enough to, I would say, like, cover you up for sure. Oh my gosh. I love this. I don't want to get makeup all over it, but this is so nice. So overall, honestly, I mean, I like the box, but honestly, I am a little bit disappointed. I'm not going to lie. Like, out of all the stuff I got, I only really like 2 items, which is the blanket and the mirror. Everything else is just so. But, I mean, this is really soft. It's like I'm caressing my boobies, but I'm just rubbing this blanket. So, yeah. Not that I don't do that, because sometimes I do. Like, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If y'all got this season's box, I was gonna say month, but it's a seasonal thing. If you got this winter FabFitFun box, and if you liked it or if you didn't like it, let me know. I'm curious to see what everybody else thinks. My mom got it this season, and she was extremely disappointed with her box. So I'm curious to see how the feel is out there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.